Good morning all. Welcome to Exam Notes 365. Hope you all are good and safe. In this video, we will discuss about the important current affairs questions on 1st July 2022. Please watch the video till the end. We will ask you a question at the end of this video. Please type your answer in comment section. Let's begin. Eknath Sampaji Shinde sworn in as the Chief Minister of which state? The answer is Maharashtra. Eknath Shinde has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Devendra Fadnavis has been sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Where is the capital of Maharashtra? Mumbai. Who is the Governor of Maharashtra? Bhagat Singh Koshyari. Who has sworn in as the President of Philippines? The answer is Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Ferdinand Marcos Jr., the son of late Filipino leader Ferdinand Marcos, was sworn in as the 17th President of the Philippines. His inauguration marks a stunning comeback for the Marcos political dynasty, which was ousted after a popular revolt in 1986. Where is the capital of Philippines? Manila. What is the currency of Philippines? Philippine peso. Let's check next question. Which of the following two countries have been invited to join NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization? The answer is Finland and Sweden. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization NATO invited Finland and Sweden to join the military alliance in one of the biggest shifts in the European security in decades. Turkey, which was lifted its initial objections to the new members, did not ask for anything as part of the agreement to expand the alliance. Let's talk about NATO. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, also called North Atlantic Alliance, is an intergovernmental military alliance between 30 member states, 28 European and 2 North American countries. It's founded on 4th April 1949. Where is the headquarters of NATO? Brussels, Belgium. Who is the Secretary General of NATO? Jens Stoltenberg. World Asteroid Day observed on 30th June. World Asteroid Day is an annual UN-sanctioned global awareness campaign event observed on 30th June, which is the anniversary of the Siberian Tunguska event of 1908. In December 2016, the UN General Assembly adopted as a resolution in order to observe each year at the international level the anniversary of the Tunguska impact over Siberia, Russian Federation on 30th June 1908. What is the theme of World Asteroid Day 2022? Small is beautiful. Let's revise some of the important days in June. June 1st, observed as World Milk Day. Theme is Dairy Net Zero. 2nd June, World Bicycle Day and Telangana Formation Day. 5th June, World Environment Day. Theme is Only One Earth. 7th June, World Food Safety Day. Theme is Safer Food, Better Health. 8th June, World Ocean Day. Theme is Revitalization, Collective Action for the Ocean. 8th June also observed as World Brain Tumor Day. Theme is Together We Are Stronger. 12th June, Anti-Child Labor Day. Theme is Universal Social Protection to End Child Labor. June 13, International Albinism Awareness Day. Theme is United in Making Our Voice Heard. Let's continue. June 14, World Blood Donor Day. Theme is Donating blood is an act of solidarity, join the effort and save lives. June 15, Global Wind Day. June 20, World Refugee Day. Theme is Whoever, wherever, whenever, everyone has the right to seek safety. June 21, International Day of Yoga. Theme is Yoga for Humanity. June 21 also observed as World Music Day. Theme is Music on the Intersections. June 22, World Rainforest Day. Theme is The Time is Now. June 23, International Olympic Day. Theme is Together for a Peaceful World. June 26, World Drug Day. Theme is Addressing Drug Challenges in Health and Humanitarian Crisis. June 27, World MSME Day. June 29, International Day of the Tropics. June 29 also observed as National Statistics Day. Theme is Data for Sustainable Development. Please remember these days and its theme. Who has launched RAMP and CBFT scheme? The answer is Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Rising and Accelerating MSME Performance RAMP scheme and Capacity Building of First-Time MSME Exporters CBFT scheme during the Udyami Bharat program at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. What is RAMP? RAMP is a World Bank-assisted central government program that aims to scale up implementation capacity and coverage of micro, small and medium enterprises in the states with impact enhancement of existing MSME scheme. Let's talk about CBFT, the Capacity Building of First-Time MSME Exporters scheme, which aims to encourage MSMEs to offer products and services of international standards for the global market. This will enhance the participation of Indian MSMEs in the global value chain and help them realize their export potential. Who is the Minister of Micro, Small, Medium and Enterprises? Narayan Rane. June 27 observed as World MSME Day. The first ever Formula E race, E-Prix 2023 in India will be held in which city? The answer is Hyderabad, Telangana. The first ever Formula E race in India will be held in Hyderabad on 11th February 2023. Alongside India, Brazil will also welcome the E-Prix for the first time on 25th March. The race in Hyderabad will be the first time a major international racing event is held in country since the Formula 1 Indian Grand Prix in October 2013 at the Buddh International Circuit. Let's talk about International Automobile Federation (FIA). It is an association established on 20th June 1904 to represent the interests of motoring organizations and motor car users. To the general public, the FIA is mostly known as the governing body for many auto racing events such as well-known Formula 1. Where is the headquarters of FIA? Paris, France. Who is the president of FIA? Mohammed bin Sulayem. Aurangabad district in Maharashtra renamed as Sambhaji Nagar. The name of Aurangabad district in Maharashtra has been changed to Sambhaji Nagar. Sambhaji was the eldest son of Chhatrapati Shivaji, the Maratha king. Aurangabad was named after Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb when he was region's governor. Former Chief Minister of Maharashtra Uddhav Thackeray renamed Aurangabad city as Sambhajinagar and Osmanabad as Dharashiv. The name of the Navi Mumbai airport will be changed to Dinagar Balu Patil Airport. The DRDO successfully flight tested Abhyas from the Integrated Test Range in Chandipur from which state? The answer is Odisha. A high-speed expendable aerial target vehicle was successfully flight tested from the Integrated Test Range in Chandipur off the coast of Odisha. Abhyas used as an aerial target for evaluation of missile systems by armed forces at low altitude. Let's talk about DRDO. Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) is the research and development wing of Ministry of Defense, Government of India. It formed in 1958. Where is the headquarters of DRDO? New Delhi. Who is the chairman of DRDO? Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Who is the Minister of Defense? Rajnath Singh. Who is the Chief of the Army Staff? General Manoj Pandey. Let's talk about Odisha. Where is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar. Who is the Governor of Odisha? Ganeshi Lal. Who is the Chief Minister of Odisha? Naveen Patnaik. Who has become the first player to win 80 matches in all 4 Grand Slams? The answer is Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic became the first player in history to win 80 matches in all 4 Grand Slams when he defeated Kwon Soon Woo. Serbian Novak Djokovic began his quest for 7th Wimbledon title with a historic 80th win, becoming the first player ever in history of men's and women's tennis to do so in each of the 4 Grand Slams of tennis tournaments. Let's check previous day question and answer. Who has appointed as the chairman of Reliance Jio? The answer is Akash M. Ambani. Akash M. Ambani appointed as the chairman of Reliance Jio. Mukesh Ambani has resigned from the board of his group's telecom arm Reliance Jio. Let's check question of the day. Which city will host the 44th Chess Olympiad 2022? Please type your answer in comment section. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video and you have received some important points of current affairs today. If the video find helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Also leave your feedback in comment section. It will help us to improve a lot. To get daily current affairs, please subscribe to Exam Notes 365. See you tomorrow. Bye.